Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Toadette from Super Mario. So we start in the center of the page with the face. Let's start over on the left side. We'll draw an oval for the eye. Start from the very top. Come down towards the bottom. And then back up. Now along the top of this eye, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. And we want to fill the bottom of the eye in black. And we want to go around that highlight. Now let's move over towards the right side. Now this eye we're going to close, so we'll start right here, right in the center. Then it's up and then down. Go back over to the left side, we're going to go higher in the middle. And then down. Let's fill this eye in black. Now with the eyes in place, we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Let's start with a straight line going across the top, directly underneath the left eye, going straight across. Now on the ends, we're going to add a bracket coming down and then out. Let's go back to the left side, we're going to open up the mouth. Coming down with a half circle, and then up. And then in the center of the mouth along the bottom, let's add a curve for the tongue. Then we're going to go back and just fill the top of the mouth in black. Now that we complete the face, let's draw the top edge of the head. We're going to start over on the left side, let's add a curve. Going up and then back down. Now let's draw on the bottom of the head. Starting back on the left side, we're going to draw a half circle. Coming down, go across the chin, and then bend that up towards the right. Now that we complete the face, let's draw that large circle for the head. From this point, we're going to step down, we're going to draw a large circle. We're going to go all the way out toward the left, go up and in towards the middle, go all the way around the right side, and then tuck that in towards the head. Now I'm going to add a smaller circle in the center. Let's start at the very top, just leaving a gap, going all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's tuck two more circles along the side. So from the left side, I'm just going to draw the inside edge, coming down and then bending that out. Let's line this up on the right, doing the same thing. Now that we've completed the head, let's move down and draw on the vest. We start underneath the head on the left side. I'm going to bend this down and then out. Go to the right side, do the same thing. Now we're going to bend the vest. We're going to come down and then in. Let's taper this so it gets narrower as we come back up underneath the head. Let's add a trim along the inside and the bottom of the vest. So we're going to step over, follow that same curve coming down, and then we'll bend that out. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw the edge of the collar. Curve this down and then up. Let's go to the bottom corners of the vest. We're going to step in, starting from the left. We're going to curve this down and then back up. Let's add a trim. We're going to step in, follow that same curve going across and then up. Step up and draw that one more time. Now we see the bottom edge of the body underneath. So we're going to start back on the left. I'm going to bring this down in the middle and then back up. And then we'll see the top of the feet. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start right up here, draw an oval, coming down toward the bottom of the foot, and then tuck that up underneath. Now the foot on the right, we're just going to kick this back. So we're going to start up here, then it's out, around, and then up. Let's go back to the side of the body and stretch the arms out towards the side. So we're going to start from the top of the body, draw a straight angle line going up and out. Draw that same length line. Now I want to point the thumbs going up. So we're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's open up the hand. From the edge of the thumb, then it's out, come around, and then up towards the wrist. And you want to separate the fingers with two curves from the tip of the hand. Let's go back to the left side. From the hand, we're going to step down, bend the inside of the arm coming down towards the side of the body. Now let's layer the pigtails in behind the head and the arms. So we'll start on the left side. We're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, and then up underneath. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting underneath the head, come around, and then back in. Now underneath on the left side, we're going to draw a smaller circle, and this around, and then up, and we're going to draw a larger circle on the end. So starting back on the left side, go a bit bigger. You want to go up underneath the hand, continue that circle, coming back in. Now over on the right side, we're going to swing this one out. So let's start from the bottom. Go that smaller circle, tuck that in underneath, and then the last circle, we're just going to push this out. So we start from the very bottom, draw a larger circle, go all the way around. Now I want to add those spots inside that bottom circle. So I'm going to start on the left side, go down and out, move over, go in behind the hand, let's add a curve on the left, and then right side. Let's add a couple more on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Toadette from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.